Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by waking the Wave Flex. Charge the case and earbuds until the LED stabilizes, then remove any protective film. Once powered, place the earbuds in the case and open it close to your phone. The earbuds enter pairing automatically. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and no other JBL devices are actively connected. If prompted, accept the pairing request and name the headphones. This step connects hardware and phone, so you can move into audio setup and customization. Once connected, you should verify audio routing by playing a short clip. Adjust volume on both devices to avoid loud surprises. Then install the JBL Portable app to access EQ presets, custom controls, and firmware updates. This improves stability and adds features. In the app, follow on-screen prompts to claim and name your earbuds, then initiate any firmware update. Make sure the case remains open and battery is above 20% while updating. This ensures optimal sound and control before you use them daily. You finish by ensuring a proper fit. Try different tips until you get a snug seal, which improves bass and isolation. Once comfortable, practice the touch controls for play, skip, volume, and voice assistant so you don't fumble mid-use. If calls or stereo drop occur, reset the earbuds. Place them in the case, hold the case button for 10 seconds to factory reset, and then repair. If problems persist, check battery levels and firmware. Those two fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.